plant shutdowns crippling your supply chain? We know a better way.
Every minute your plant is shut down, you're losing millions. In industries like automotive, production halts aren't just costly, they're catastrophic. But what if you could prevent that downtime with a single call? At Expedite All, we make sure your operation never stops. Here's how. Plant shutdowns cause a chain reaction of problems. Missed deadlines, disrupted supply chains, and lost customers. Every minute your production sits idle, you're not just losing money, you're losing trust. When shutdowns happen, the ripple effect hits hard. Financial losses stack up from lost revenue, wages for employees who can't work, and penalties for delayed deliveries. And when you finally restart operation, you often face additional overtime costs or the need for extra staffing. Then there's your brand reputation. At Expedite All, we help you avoid all of that. Once we pick it up, it's a direct door-to-door delivery, the fastest ground option you can get. No stops, no mixing of your freight with others. Our sprinters and box trucks are not bound by DOT hours of service, meaning they can keep moving when other providers can't. For longer distances, we use team drivers. There's no downtime, just continuous transit. And when you're comparing costs, Expedite All is a more efficient, affordable option than chartering a plane or a helicopter. You get the same speed and reliability, but at a fraction of the price. In the past year alone, we've completed over 45,000 shipments in the automotive sector. Our services help businesses like yours avoid costly shutdowns, keeping operations running smoothly and saving millions in potential losses. When you choose Expedite All, you're not just saving time, you're protecting your brand and keeping your customer confidence strong. We're ready to keep your production lines moving, prevent financial losses, and ensure your operation runs smoothly every time. Don't let a plant shutdown disrupt your business. Contact Expedite All today and schedule your on-demand shipment.